Getting ready for your gifts? Okay. Can you sit down? Hold on, sit down. They're coming. Dean, can you help, please? I think I'm breaking them apart. No, 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 no. What are you doing? Here.
Here's the Zoobles. Zoobles. Here's that Zooble.
She's still working on this one.
Zoobles.
Yeah. Now open this one.
Oh, I like it. I really like it, Mommy. See? I really like it.
Where you put that bow?
Right there.
Right there?
Yep.
You're not gonna decorate with your bow? What's that?
Zooble.
Zooble what?
It's this one.
It's a carrier! Yay! You can put your Zoobles in there. Carries 20 Zoobles.
Open it up, Mommy. I can't open it.
Okay, we'll help you open it soon, okay?
Okay. Sticker.
Here. Got it, I got it. Here's your other present.
Oh my God, it's a big thing. What is it? What's this in here? Oh.
If I was going to tell you, Genova, what it is, I wouldn't wrap it up for you. Oh my God. Seriously?
I like my presents,
Yeah.
Mommy. Lala Lucy, Mommy.
What is that?
It's a Lala Lucy.
I see. Yeah.
A Lala Lucy.
Cool.
La, 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 la. Let's see, there's more.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
I like Lala Lucy.
I know you do.
Oh, that one's bigger. Oh, that's for me, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. They're all for you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
I like that Zoobles. I really get the Zoobles. I really like my Zoobles. You need little Zoobles? Like the whale one?
Yeah.
You saw the tape flying. Girl, I think you were like a chameleon, or what's that other animal that's really slow? It's like a monkey.
The sloth.
The sloth. Oh my god. I think she was a sloth in another life.
It's this one.
It's that one. Mm-hmm.
Look how Lucy did.
Yeah.
And big one. The prison's not all gone yet, Mommy. I made some more prisons, Mommy.
All done now.
That's it.
You happy?
Yep. Turn the phone off.
Okay.